Hi everybody, our Genie G1T garage door opener remote finally died. I don't know if you can see the model number right there, it's kind of small print. But anyways, the batteries have been dying on this thing probably every 6 months or so, which is a lot shorter than I had expected to. But with this last battery change, it still doesn't work at all. And I try to reprogram the switch and it still doesn't work. To change the battery on these normally, you see there's a groove right here. You just stick your nail in here and you can just pop it open, pulling it out. And it takes a 2032 size battery, which is pretty normal for all remotes. And you just slide it in here. I don't have a battery in there right now because this remote is broken. But anyways, I went to search for a replacement and the genuine Genie is about $31 each, whereas you can buy two generics for about $18 each, right? So I went ahead with the generic. I thought they were the exact same product, made from the same molds, but looking at them up close, they are not. The generic is slightly bigger, but it works all just the same. Today I'm going to show you how to program the new remote. It's really simple. Anyone at home can do it as long as you can reach the garage door opener. All right, now I'm in my garage. I have the Genie model 1028 garage opener, and I have my generic G1T remote, and I'm going to program the remote now. There's a button here that says PRGM. You go ahead and hold it until it blinks purple. You can see how it's blinking. Now it's really simple. I just take the remote and I push the button, and you see it stopped blinking. And when it turns blue, that means we're all good. Now let's test it out. There we go. And here's the confirmation test. Thanks for watching. I hope you join us next time. Really easy to program that new remote. All you have to do is hold the program button until it starts blinking purple, and then push your clicker and wait until the light turns solid blue, and you're all set. Thanks for joining us. We'll see you soon. Bye.